To set up second space on the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on additional settings. After that we'll be able to find the parental second space right here, and if you enter it you'll be able to turn it on. Now wait a moment. And here we need to click on continue. Then you can choose a way to enter second space, either by using a different password. So you will have two passwords, one original screen lock that you have to unlock and enter your original system. And then here you will create other password to enter your second space. Then there's using shortcut, which means you can open second space by a shortcut. I'm gonna go for a password version and then we can continue. Now let's set up the password for the second space. Now we need to confirm the first space password, which means your original password. And then we can set up our new password. So I'm gonna go with something like this and confirm it. Now our second space password is created, and we can also set up the fingerprint scanner to unlock the second space. I'm gonna skip it, but if you want you can use it. Now we need to also wait, and here it will transfer us to the second space. But now if we lock our device and try to unlock it using our standard method, it will enter our original first space. And then if I try to lock it and unlock it using the method that we've chosen for the second space, it's very buggy, but yeah, okay. But now let's enter that second password and it transfers us to the second space. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.